I ran across this video. It got me chewing. The little homie ducked the very first obstacle, and he was excited, he was elated, he swung his fist in happiness, and he was excited and happy. But what he didn't realize was there was another thing coming, and he didn't see it. And that's the part that got me chewing. In life, there are going to be times that we win. We overcome that adversity, and we win that bout. But we cannot celebrate too long, because right after that celebration, there's always going to be something else. It's okay to celebrate, but you also always have to be mindful of that next thing. Chew on this.